the dinosaur who didn't like loud noises. Once upon a time, there was a gentle dinosaur named Pax. Pax loved the world when it was soft and still. He liked the sound of the grass waving in the breeze and the tiny flutter of a butterfly's wings. Pax's friend Boomer was not quiet at all. Boomer loved to stomp through the jungle. Stomp, stomp, stomp went his big feet. Every time Boomer stomped, the ground shook and the leaves shivered. The loud stomping made Pax's head feel a little bit fuzzy. He covered his ears with his short arms. "That is a very big noise," Pax whispered. He decided to find a place where the air was calm and the sounds were small. Pax wandered to a sunny meadow. He found a fuzzy bee resting on a clover. Bee-zee-zee, it hummed very softly. Pax sat down and breathed in the scent of the flowers. He felt much better in the quiet. Suddenly, his friend Crackle arrived. Crackle was a dinosaur who loved to eat. Crunch, snap, pop went the branches as she chewed. Crackle was having a very noisy snack. Pax looked at Crackle. The crunching was very, very loud. Pax felt a little bit overwhelmed. He loved his friends, but he needed a break from all the roar and the crash. Pax found a secret cave behind a waterfall. Inside, the walls were cool and the air was still. He heard a tiny sound, plip, plop. It was a single drop of water falling into a clear puddle. Soon, Boomer and Crackle came looking for Pax. They stood at the entrance of the cave and peeked inside. They saw Pax sitting so quietly that they forgot to be loud. They wondered what he was doing. Pax looked up and smiled. He patted the soft ground next to him. Boomer walked inside on his tippy toes. "Listen," Pax whispered. Boomer tilted his head and heard the gentle whoosh of the wind outside. Crackle joined them too. Together, the three friends sat in the cave and watched the moon rise. It was a beautiful, quiet night. Pax was happy because his friends learned that sometimes the best sound of all is no sound at all.